Hi everyone, welcome back. It is Wednesday and I am so late right now, so this is going to be super quick. All right, so today is Henry Margu's Harper in black. So get our cap on. I will do a review of her later because I don't have time, but this is Henry Margu's. I did do a quick, she's in one of the hair mails that I did. So I did show her cap and everything there too. So I will link that in this. So let's get her shook up, and I'm praying she doesn't need a lot of work because I need to leave. She is a lace front too, so should I don't know if I should glue her down or not. I'm not gonna glue her down today. And just pray. Let's get these Eartabs working. Get some water in there. I feel some perma-tease, so I wanna just like to put the water to loosen it up, and I see a little bit of box hair up there too. So let's just get some of this lift up here. I'm gonna try to do middle part because that's my preference. But if it's a little on the side, that's okay too. So let's see. Not too bad, not too bad. She doesn't really need much today, does she? I don't like that both are not. See, I like how this is doing like a cute little feather, but this one's not. So, and it is a little parted too. How's my part? And part needs a little. Here, let's just do some of this. Switch it over and rough this up, and then comb this over. And rough this up. Okay. And then let's see. Ooh. Let's see where she wants to go. I want to watch that box hair. Let's see. Okay. I don't want. Spray this a little bit. This is just water too, in case I never mentioned that. This is just water. I don't want to mess up any of the curls in the style. You know? Yeah, that's pretty, huh? Isn't this gorgeous? I am loving this wig. This is very pretty. All right. Actually, I like the side part. So I'm okay with that, right? So this could hang down long because it's a side part, so it's not meant to be like that. So I could live with that. Yeah, I think I like it like this. What do you guys think? Look at my cute little earrings I got on today. Are my eyebrows dark enough? Tried to make them real dark, so they look dark enough to me. Okay, I think this is it for today. Very good, because I did not have time. Now, let me just see. I could move it up a little bit. Yeah. All right, Harper. We look like we are ready to go to work. So I'm off to my second job. I did not have time this morning to put my wig on, so it felt really weird all day working my first job. I couldn't really go on WebEx or anything because I had no hair on. So I overslept this morning. Okay, feel a little bit of knotting back there, so I'm gonna just comb this out in the back. Just underneath the nape part, because I don't want to comb out any of the curls. I just don't want knots. Okay, so yep, I think I am out the door. Yep, there we go. Harper, I am ready. Hi guys, welcome back. This is my outfit for today. Anyway, so this was today, and it's about, actually I think it's midnight right now. I just uploaded Monday's video. So this is Wednesday. This is Harper. I got her on really late today, so she's only been on for, I think it was 4 o'clock when I got ready. So 4 o'clock, well actually that's 8 hours. So she's been on for 8 hours. She was gorgeous today. Everybody liked her at work. This is Harper, and she didn't knot up too bad at all. So she, Henry Margot's fibers are nice. You see here, I combed her out in the morning in the back, and she's maybe a little knotted in the back, but like some of my polo, I think Nola, when I wore Nola, the ends were just so knotted and bunched up, and I couldn't, it was not wearing well. But yeah, Harper wore really good. And I wore the cap again today. Someone asked if it's hot. Even with this amount of hair on my head, I barely feel right now like I have a wig on. Like it's so, I don't know if I'm just so used to it now. I actually felt really weird today, working all day without my wig on. I felt, naked really. But yeah, this worked really well today. So no complaints about Harper. Didn't have to play with her. She was not, I play with my hair just because I touch it a lot anyway. So it's probably not a good thing with these fibers that I'm touching them. But she, she didn't really fall in my face at all. She was nice. She was nice today. So this was Harper. That's it. Simple little outfit today. Just a pair of black jeans, some red boots, and just a simple little top. All right. Thank you so much. Keep watching. And tomorrow is Thursday. And what's coming up tomorrow? Tomorrow is, I've got the plum dandy I want to wear for tomorrow. The Sassy from Renee of Paris. All right. Thank you. Bye.